What's going on, folks? I want to show you how you be changing out your door switches on a Toyota Corolla crossover. It's probably the same from about the 2022 to the 2024. All you gotta do is kind of come to you where your door switches are at. There's like a little seam that you'll see in between the door switch panel itself and your actual door panel. You kind of want to take something, dig up underneath there, just like that. It'll just pop out. You can see, just like this, pretty much it'll pop out. Then all you have to do pretty much is come right here to the back of, you'll have these switches right here. Your plug is, you want to press back onto the back of that. So what I'm doing is press the back of it. It's like a little piece to press. And once you do that, you can unplug it. And then you'll have one that's over here, like a plug. Yeah, you have one over here that's a plug. And you kind of just want to unplug this one also. Yeah, you kind of want to unplug this one also. You have like a little push down tab right here in the back of this one that you'll just be pressing down right in the front of that, just like that. As you can see right here, just a little tab. You press it down like that and unplug out, just like that. Once you do that, you'll have your whole door switch panel free. All right, so once you get the door switch off pretty much, all you got to do now, if you want to just remove, because you don't need to change out this whole plastic piece, all you want to do is take your switches out just in case that's what's wrong. And to do that, all you have to do basically is come to the back of it. You'll have like 3 screws. This is the master one on your main door. Like 3 screws you want to take out. One here. On this side, you'll have one over here on this side. Then you'll have one back here that you want to take out. Just like that. And once you take those 3 screws out of it, now what you could do is just slide out your actual door panel switch itself. Because this is probably what's bad is these switches right here. So then you can go ahead and buy you a replacement part that fits inside of this one, and then go ahead and put it back in the same way. It should fit right back in that way. You just want to take it just like that, line it back up just like that, and go ahead and put your 3 screws back in, and pretty much you should be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you be changing out a door panel switches, just in case for some reason yours is not acting right on a Toyota Corolla crossover. It's probably the same from about the 2022 to the 2025. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.